I am Vaksujit from Mechanical Branch in Division B, and our microproject name is BEAMS, and I am going to speak on basic information about BEAM.
Beam. Let us see the small house and its beam. So, we will see now what is exactly beam. Beam is structural member sufficiently long as compared to its lateral dimensions, supported at a certain points along its length, and subjected to loads transferred to its longitudinal axis. It is called as beams. So, let's see some basic information about beams. A beam is a structural element that primarily resists loads applied laterally to the beam's axis, and its modes of deflection is primarily by bending. The loads applied to the beam results in reaction forces at the beam's support points. The total effect of all the forces acting on the beam is to produce shear forces and bending moments with the beams that in turn induce internal stresses, strains and deflections of the beam. Beams are characterized by the manner of support profile, shape of cross section, equilibrium, conditions, length and their material. So this was some basic information about beams which I have shared with you.
Myself, Devish Bhagat, from first year diploma in mechanical engineering. My roll number is 7. Here I am going to tell you about the topic of main type of beams, which related to beams. Main type of beams. First, cantilever beams. Second, simple supported beams. Third, overhanging beams. Fourth, fixed beams. And last, continuous beam. Beam is located below the rope. The rope load is transferred to beam, which gets supported by two columns. Beams are traditionally description of buildings or civil engineering structural elements, but smaller structures such as truck or automobile frames, machine frames, and other mechanical or structural systems contain beam structures that are and analyze in similar manner.
My name is Dolfodesh Jasbash, roll number 24, branch Mechanical Engineering, Division A. My topic is roller support.
Roller support. Practical example of roller support. Roller support. Rollers are considered frictionless and hence reaction at support is normal to the support. Roller. At roller support, beam is free to move along the support and also rotate in the axis A above the support. Roller support. Roller support are free to rotate and translate along the surface upon which the roller rests. The surface can be horizontal, vertical or sloped at any angle. Roller support are commonly located at one end of long bridge. This allows the bridge structure to expand and contract with temperature changes.
Myself, Vivek Bhaskar from Mechanical Department, explain the concept of cantilever beam.
Cantilever beam. Now see the 3D model of house. Cantilever beam is shown in house vertical. One end is fixed and other end is free is called cantilever beam.
My name is Rushali Rajendra Abuj, Division A, Mechanical Engineering Branch. Our microproject is beam and my subtopic is cantilever beam.
The example of cantilever beam is Howrah Bridge in India, a cantilever bridge. Cantilever balcony of the falling water house by a flank Lloyd ride. Busan Cinema Center in Busan, South Korea, a world longest cantilever roof.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanjot Beret. I am from Mechanical Department.
Our micro project name is BIMS.
Simply supported beam bridge. In simply supported beam, the ends of beams are freely rest on column. Simply supported beam. Support. A simply supported beam, no movement sustained of the support. Simply supported beam. The simple supported beam is one of the most simple structure. It features only two supports, one at each end. One is a pin support and other is a roll support. With the configuration, the beam is inhibited from the vertical movement at both ends, whereas it is allowed to rotate freely.
Myself, Vadav Gauri Sandeep, Mechanical Department A. A subject for my project is beams. I would like to explain the subtopics of beam.
Fixed beams. A beam with both ends rigidly fixed or built-in called fixed beams or built-in beams or Ancaster beams. Examples are RCC beams in frame structure. A fixed or a built-in beam has both of its ends rigidly fixed so that the slope at the ends remains zero. Such a beam is also called as the Ancaster beam. The fixed ends give rise to fixing moment there in addition to the reactions.
My name is Yash Sachin Auringi and I am from Mechanical Engineering Division A, and our micro project is beams, and my topic is continuous beams, and I can explain the process of continuous beams.
Continuous beam. A beam which is supported over more than two supports is called continuous beam. This span between supports may be equal, unequal. Examples are RCC beams continued over than two more supports. Beams are made continuous over the supports to increase structural integrity. A continuous beam provides an alternate load path in the case of failure at a section. In region with high seismic risk, continuous beams are preferred in buildings and bridges. A continuous beam is a statically indeterminate structure.
Hello, I am Tejas Namishwar Gunga from Mechanical Engineering Division B. Today I am talking about overhanging beam. A beam which is simply supported at two points and projected at one of both ends way on the support is called overhanging beam. The additional length of the beam projecting way on supported is called overhanging. Overhanging beams. If the portion of a beam extends beyond the support, then the beam is known as overhanging beam. Overhanging may be on of the support or on both the.
Myself, Yash Kothari from First Year Mechanical Department is going to explain the concept of beam reaction related to a main topic, beams.
A simply supported beam of span 8 meters carries point loads of 2 kN, 3 kN, 4 kN and 5 kN at 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, and 5 meter and 7 meter from left hand support. We have to find the beam reactions. The given is a simply supported beam carrying 4-point loads. We have to find the reaction at A and reaction at B. For this, we have to use the concept of equilibrium conditions as summation of Fy is equal to 0. That is, summation of all the vertical components of force is equal to 0 and moment about any point is equal to 0. Here's the diagram of our question. So according to the first condition, summation of Fy is equal to 0. It gives sign convention as upward going forces as positive and downward coming forces as negative. From this we get a first equation as Ra plus Rb is equal to 14. Now moment about A is equal to 0. It gives sign convention as clockwise moments as positive and anti-clockwise moments as negative. In this question, the 4-point loads have positive moments and the reactions have negative moments. So from this we get reaction at B is equal to 8.25 kilonewton and reaction at A is equal to 5.75 kilonewton. So here's the final answer.